Welcome children. Assessment worksheet number 5, subject science, class 10th. In first column you have to write your name of the student, you have to write your name of the class teacher, you have to write the name of your class teacher. Here the instruction is given to you. Darken the circle against the correct option of the following question number 1 to 10 with pencil or pen. You have to darken the circle with the help of pen or pencil against the correct answer of the question. First question is, fixed number of water molecules associated with one formula unit of a substance is called as A. Crystallization, B. Water of crystallization, C. Water of hydration, and D. Dilution. Correct answer is B. Water of crystallization. So you have to darken second circle or B part of the question. Question number 2. Chemical formula of gypsum is A. CaSO4 H2O, B. CaSO4 2H2O, C. CaSO4 3H2O, D. CaSO4 4H2O. So what is the chemical formula of gypsum? Chemical formula of gypsum is CaSO4 2H2O. So correct answer is B. You have to darken the B part of the question. Next question. Color of dehydrated copper sulfate is. So when we heated the copper sulfate, it become dehydrated. So what is the color of dehydrated copper sulfate is? A. Black, B. Blue, C. White, and D. Green. Correct answer क्या है बच्चों? What is the correct answer? It becomes white on heating. So correct answer is C. White. Question number 4. A chemical is used for disinfecting drinking water to make it free from germs. Its chemical formula is. So first is CaOCl, B CaOCl2, C CaOCl3, and D CaOCl4. So this chemical is bleaching powder, and correct formula of bleaching powder is CaOCl2. So correct answer will be B. CaOCl2. Question number 5. Slaked lime is. What do you mean by slaked lime? Chemical name of slaked lime you have to tell. A. Calcium oxide, B. Calcium oxychloride, C. Calcium carbonate, and D. Calcium hydroxide. So chemical name of slaked lime is calcium hydroxide. You have to darken the circle of D. Calcium hydroxide. Your next question is, an element reacts with oxygen to keep a compound with high melting point. This compound is also soluble in water. The element is likely to be A. Calcium, B. Carbon, C. Silicon, and D. Iron. B and C, carbon and silicon, are non-metal. So correct answer will be calcium. A. Calcium. So you have to darken the circle of A. Next question. The non-metal which can conduct electricity is. Metals are generally good conductor and non-metals are generally bad conductor, but you have to find non-metal which can conduct electricity is A. Graphite, B. Iodine, C. Silicon, and D. Diamond. So which one is correct answer? Answer A. Graphite. So you have to darken the circle of A. Graphite. Question number 8. The compound which reacts with acid as well as bases to produce salts and water are called as. Compounds which reacts with acid as well as bases, दोनों से reacts होते हैं. So A. acidic oxides, B. basic oxides, C. amphoteric oxides, and D. neutral oxides. Correct answer will be amphoteric oxides. So correct answer is C. Question number 9. The metal which is liquid at room temperature is A. Sodium, B. Mercury, C. Magnesium, and D. Manganese. So which one is correct answer? Correct answer is B. Mercury. Mercury is liquid at room temperature. Next question. The property of metals used for making string of musical instruments like sitar is A. Sonorous, B. Malleability, C. Ductility, D. Conductivity. So which property of metal is used for making strings of musical instrument? Property is A. Sonorous. Metal produce ringing sounds when hit some hard substance. So correct answer will be A. Sonorous. Thanks for watching.